Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to let you know the benefits of US Bancorp credit card or US Bank. So the US Bank Cash Plus Visa Signature Card offers several benefits that can be attractive depending on the spending habits and financial goals. Now to begin with the procedure, you just have to follow the steps. So the benefit is that you can customize your cashback. That is, you can earn up to 5% cashback on your first $2,000 in combined eligible net purchase each quarter on two categories you can choose, and additionally you could also go ahead and earn 2% cashback on everyday category like gas station or grocery stores. And typically the card also offers a sign up bonus after meeting certain spending requirement within the first few months of the card membership. And likewise, the card does not charge an annual fee, making it more cost effective if you prefer to avoid yearly fees. And it often comes with an introductory 0% APR on balance transfer for a certain period, which can help you save on interest if you're transferring balance from higher interest card. And likewise, if you also pay your cell phone bills with your US Bank Cash Plus card, you could receive protection against damage or theft for eligible cell phones. And as a Visa signature card holder, you may have access to additional perks such as travel and emergency assistance service, extended warranty protections or purchase, and more. And likewise, the ability to choose your 5% cashback category every quarter allows you to maximize reward based on your spending patterns. And before applying for any credit card, it's crucial to review the terms and conditions, including interest rate, fees, and eligibility requirement to ensure it aligns with your financial need and spending habit. So these were the benefit of US Bancorp credit card. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.